La, 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 la. Okay, hello people. We have arrived to our channel to live.
Guys, I hate being recorded when like Nina has the camera and she's walking through taking pictures of us.
That's really weird. Okay, here we go.
Wait! You didn't tell them what we're doing.
Yes, I did. We're doing Try Not to Laugh.
Try not to laugh.
Fail.
Oh shit. Oh yeah.
Is this an intro?
Yeah, it's probably. Oh wow!
Oh, so that first
Try
one
not
didn't
to
even
laugh.
count, did it?
Yeah, I'll try to knock this out of my hand.
Oh!
We're also building towards the game after that.
Oh, it's me,
And
Maggie,
it's the
his cousin.
one you keep asking about.
No, I'm just kidding.
I don't need to be in the video. I don't even understand that. Why is that funny? Oh, it's still on. What is that? What? Whoa. What? Thomas the Train!
Oh yeah, we saw this.
Oh, we saw this before.
So have I. They're probably.
Oh my.
What? Oh,
Okay. Somebody asked if we're sisters, which
Brother
brother and sister. Okay, I'm a failed talking.
Sisters.
Okay, we failed talking. Brother and sister, which we're not. We're I want this game, by the way. This looks awesome.
Oh yeah. We're cousins.
It isn't really. Yeah, we're cousins.
A cousin.
Well, we made a lot of videos in one day.
Yeah, his other cousin.
Yeah.
Oh, Zach's been asking if he could be in your video again.
Zach.
He's
yeah,
annoying
he
me.
wants to be in my video.
I'm just
Oh,
kidding.
yes.
He's never annoying me. He never.
And the little boy comes out
What? No.
Okay.
shot. I always wanted a train whistle. Lucy wouldn't let me do it in the car. Because she said, don't start. Wait till you get home. So I'm all alone.
I'm sorry, but
So
this guy is probably gonna have a lot of double necks if he does
Oh, wait, here we go. Oh my gosh.
Test your mind. Test your mind.
Is
Test your mind. Test your mind.
this kid right here is
Mortal Kombat!
I'm sorry. It's hilarious.
He just makes everything bad. That kid in the bottom corner. The kid, though. The bottom right.
This is all the same kid. Bottom right, annoying. Oh, and if you're watching the show, the kid's right here. The kids are sorry, but that's kind of annoying.
Yeah.
What the heck is that? Those eyes and that eyes and that eyes and that eyes.
Can this just end? It's torture.
He might have been watching.
I don't care.
Oh yeah.
This person probably doesn't watch this. I don't even like.
Yeah.
No, not more.
When is this gone?
Bottom right's face, though.
I love it.
My name's Ali, and that is right.
No, let's all lean back so they can actually see our faces.
Solid gold V2 mode.
I watched a bunch of Elliot memes yesterday.
I want to laugh so bad.
This is good music. This is Kirby. That's Kirby.
I know, it's Kirby.
He's shooting a gun. He's an RPG.
There's an army. There's an army of Kirby's.
I can't imagine seeing that just come to me.
Love you, Kirby. But I kind
I'm
of
scared now. Oh my gosh, it's the Kirby FBI.
Kirby. Is that the Kirby
That's
goddess?
disturbing.
No, that's a Kirby goddess. Everything just stopped when I clapped. It's Kirby.
The music stops.
No. Yo. Y'all work it off,
I've
girl.
seen this before.
I've
So
seen
have
it
I.
before too.
Gosh,
No.
serious. This clip right here is titled Weird.
It actually.
Whoever made this is a legend. I love this.
So let's check it out live
PS4.
PS4.
right now.
PS4.
Oh, it's a PS something.
Okay.
What is?
Oh. Wait, who is he?
Stop playing the flute.
It's kind of annoying.
If the editor makes that super loud, I'm gonna die.
What the heck is on the TV?
Just a bunch of shows that match what Mama watches.
Oh yeah, there's TV over there.
Yeah, there's my TVs right there.
So when I point that way,
When I point
Yeah.
that way,
when it point when
to
it points
us,
that
it's
way-
actually that way.
Oh. That way.
Pointing both ways. Maggie, look at this. So I point this way.
I don't
Points that way.
point that
And I point
way.
this way. Okay. It's
No
that.
way.
It's this way for you guys, and this way for us.
How did he implement it?
Is that Mario?
Oh
It's just Super
my
Mario,
God.
honestly.
I can't believe you don't feel it. That boy is back.
Back
Damn
it up,
it,
dude.
it's back.
Oh, is he live streaming?
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
gonna get this.
Is that President Obama? Robot.
Is it Donald Trump?
I'm scared.
Who's that?
Oh, it said robot. Now I'm kind of scared.
Don't bring up Ali Amin.
Oh, how it makes you.
Let your hand drift across.
What is that?
It's good. That face though. No, don't look at TV. That face though.
It's scary. It's a face.
I wonder what this guy's painting is.
Oh, I think I know what it is. I've seen this before.
Donald Trump or something.
That would be funny for Donald Trump. No offense, Donald Trump.
Donald Trump didn't really watch his videos.
I know.
No offense to Donald Trump if he ever did. That guy's just like, he's good.
Hey, dude, you have a flashy thing on your head. Father? Sorry. Is that him? But he's. That just looked like he had a bra on. Like a bikini top. It's like whole. Is that the guy? Did that guy just jump in?
No, what happened? Someone came out of the mud. No, he just jumped into the mud. He's going back in it.
What the heck is that? Are those leeches?
Someone else. Is he doing it again? Oh my gosh. Oh,
What the heck?
did he just disappear?
Where is he? I'm confused with this video and I'm a little scared of this video.
I think he might have just died. He's eaten by the mud.
What's he doing?
I know what's gonna happen.
I know what's gonna happen. I've seen this
I
before.
haven't, but I bet I know what's gonna happen.
I've already seen it before.
Oh no, I was wrong.
I was right.
No, I know this. This is so dumb.
This one is very dumb. Oh, I already know what he's making.
Spoil it.
Everybody knows what we're making. Lobster.
That's the Amy I'm talking about.
Oh, there's a puppy right here.
I love this.
puppy.
Not a puppy.
Ouch! Puppy.
I ended.
That
was 10 minutes.
Ow.
So,
Betty.
okay, hold up. We're gonna have to pause this because, well, you're being I was just at my Tammy's for like 3-4 hours. So my dogs are and my dad just got home from like 2 weeks of being in Massachusetts, so it's absolute madness with my dogs.
No, Betty just bleeding down your spine. No, this was Betty. Her tongue.
Oh, that's disgusting. Okay, so goodbye.
Goodbye.
Right?
No, yeah, and we are cousins.
Goodbye.